Hello everyone, my name is Rajan and you're watching me on your YouTube channel Let's Master English, where we learn and practice English language. Okay, in order to be fluent and confident in this language. So in this video, I am going to cover 20 sentences. Okay, these sentences are taken from like daily use sentences. Okay, so you will learn some special words. Okay, you will learn some sentences, most important sentences, and you can use these sentences in your daily life when you whenever you get a opportunity. Okay, whenever you get a chance to use these sentences, whenever you get situation like this, so you can use these sentences. So I will translate all the sentences one by one. Okay, you should listen these sentences and then uh, you can write these sentences in your notebook. Okay, so that it will be easier to remind or remember all these sentences, memorize all these sentences. Okay, so do like this. Okay, as I am doing, you can do the same to any in order to enhance your English. So I'm going to cover 20 sentences. So let's start. And the first sentence we have, राजा ने निर्दोषों पर अत्याचार किया. ओके, राजा ने निर्दोषों पर अत्याचार किया. तो इसके लिए हम कह सकते हैं द किंग The king persecuted the king persecuted the innocent people. Okay, the king persecuted the innocent people. Here, persecute means अत्याचार करना, परेशान करना. Okay, उन पे अत्याचार करना. The king persecuted on the innocent people. Innocent means in Hindi you can say मासूम people. Okay, people who don't know about uh, many things. Okay, मासूम. Okay, so the king persecuted the innocent people. Okay, innocent means uh, मासूम. Okay, innocent means मासूम. हिंदी में मासूम इसका मीन्स होता है. Okay, now let's try to translate the another sentence. Okay, you can remember this sentence. Okay, you can memorize this sentence. Don't worry about the grammar or words. Okay, just memorize as it is. Okay, it will be easier to practice in this way. So if you don't know anything, okay, if you know, then it's good, well and good, and you can think about the grammar and words and the formation of the sentences. It's all good. But if you don't know, then you should just memorize these sentences and use it as you get the environment. So let's go for the next one. The next sentence we have, सड़क पूरी तरह बर्फ से ढकी हुई थी, लेकिन हमारे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं था बजाय आगे बढ़ने के. इसको कैसे ट्रांसलेट करेंगे? सड़क पूरी तरह बर्फ से ढकी हुई थी. For this one we can say the road was totally covered with snow. The road was totally covered with snow. Okay, so सड़क पूरी तरह से बर्फ से ढकी हुई थी. For this one we can say, for this part of the sentence we can say the road was totally covered with the snow. Okay, लेकिन हमारे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं था। फॉर दिस वन वी कैन से बट, लेकिन, वी हैड नो ऑप्शन, वी हैड नो ऑप्शन, वी हैड नो ऑप्शन बट टू ट्रस्ट थ्रू इट। ओके, सिवाय आगे बढ़ने के, बट टू ट्रस्ट, but to trudge through it. Okay, the road was totally covered with snow. Okay, the road was totally covered with snow. We had no option but to trudge through it. Okay, आगे बढ़ने के और कोई रास्ते नहीं थे, ठीक है, आगे कोई विकल्प नहीं था। We had no option. Now next sentence we have, मैंने अपने बेटे को डांटा। ओके, उसने गुस्सा दिखाया और रूम से बाहर चला गया। ओके, for this one we can say, I scolded my son. I scolded my son. मैंने अपने बेटे को डांटा। ओके, उसने गुस्सा दिखाया। He pretended to be angry. उसने गुस्सा दिखाया। He pretend मतलब दिखाना, शो करना। He pretended to be angry. He pretended to be angry and trudged out of the room. और रूम से चला गया। And trudged out of the room. Okay, I scolded my son. He pretended to be angry. He pretended to be angry and trudged out of the room. Okay, trudged out of the home. Okay, you can say like this. वो बाहर चला गया। Now let's go for the next one. इंटरनेट पर उसके क्रेडिट कार्ड का गलत इस्तेमाल किए जाने की के केस की पुलिस जांच कर रही है। कि इंटरनेट पे उसके क्रेडिट कार्ड का गलत इस्तेमाल किए जाने के केस की पुलिस जांच कर रही है। ओके, द पुलिस आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग, वी कैन से द पुलिस आर इन्वेस्टी इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग, द पुलिस आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग। ओके, the police are investigating the case of fraudulent use of his credit card on the internet. Okay, on internet, the police are investigating, the police are investigating, क्या इन्वेस्ट कर रही है, the case. Okay, the police are investigating the case of किसका, fraudulent use. Okay, fraudulent use of his credit credit card on internet. Okay, the police are investigating the case of the fraudulent use, okay, of fraudulent use of credit of his credit card on internet. Okay, these sentences are a little bit longer, so you will have to bear it. Okay, you will have to memorize it. You will have to give it a little extra time. Okay, so try to memorize this. Okay, that's why I'm giving extra time to these sentences, because these sentences are little longer. Okay, so sometimes it becomes uh difficult to memorize these sentences. So give it time. Okay, and with the time it will be easier for you. So that's why I'm speaking, or I'm focusing again and again. I'm speaking again and again for one sentence. Okay, so do it. Okay, just do like this and have patience. Now let's translate the another one. वो अपनी पत्नी को देखकर मुस्कुराया और कहा, चिंता मत करो, मैं ठीक हूँ। वो अपनी पत्नी को देखकर मुस्कुराया और कहा कि चिंता मत करो, मैं ठीक हूँ। सो इसके लिए हम कह सकते हैं, ही gave he gave his wife a smirk. He gave his wife he gave his wife a smirk. Smirk मतलब artificial artificial smile. Okay, not a real smile. ठीक है, एक झूठ मूठ की हंसी। ठीक है, रियल वाली नहीं। तो सो ही गेव हिज वाइफ अ स्mirk and said, "Don't worry, I'm fine." And said, don't worry, I'm fine." Okay, he gave his wife a smirk and said, "Don't worry, I'm fine." Okay, so you can note down the word smirk. It means artificial uh, smile. Okay, fake smile. Okay, not real. And gave his wife a smirk. You can memorize these as well. Okay, this is a phrase you can use this as a phrase. Okay, give give one give someone a smirk. Okay, you can use any object here. Okay, give us smirk, anything. Give someone a smirk. Okay, now let's go for the next one. The next sentence we have, उसके चेहरे पर एक अजीब सी मुस्कुराहट थी। ओके, उसके चेहरे पर एक अजीब सी मुस्कुराहट थी, मानो वो मुझे नीचा दिखा रहा हो। ओके, ही देयर वाज अ स्mirk ऑन हिज फेस। ओके, ही as if he was looking down on me, as if means मानो। ओके, so we can say there was a smirk on his his face, as if he was looking down on me. He was looking down on me. There was a smirk on his face. Smirk means smile, and as if means mano. Okay, and looking down on means this is a phrase, and uh it means there was a smirk on his face as if he was looking down on me. Okay, so this means नीचा दिखाना, ठीक है? किसी को नीचा समझना, नीचा दिखाना उसको, ठीक है? So look down on, this is a phrase, it means नीचा दिखाना, ठीक है? The next sentence we are on, दूसरी दूसरों की बात दूसरों की बात को केवल सुनकर कि किसी को बदनाम मत करिए। की बात को दूसरे दूसरों की बात को केवल सुनकर किसी को बदनाम मत करिए। ओके, डोंट calumniate anyone just by listening what others say. We can say, uh, don't calumniate, don't calumniate anyone just by listening what others say. What others say. Don't calumniate anyone just by listening what others says. Okay, what others say. Others is a plural. Okay, so say we say just this. Others say, not says. Okay, don't calumniate anyone just by listening what others say. Just listen it and memorize it. Okay, now let's do it little faster. Okay, because it is taking too long. Okay, so जब आप दूसरों को बदनाम करते हो तो आपकी छवि खराब हो जाती है। When you calumniate others, your own image gets spoiled by itself. Okay, we can say, when you calumniate others, your own image gets spoiled by itself. Okay, when you calumniate others, your own image gets spoiled by itself. Okay, मुझे यकीन है कि सीबीआई की पूरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन से दोषी का पता चल जाएगा। ओके, आई एम श्योर दैट द exhaustive investigation of CBI will reveal the identity of the culprit. We can write it as, I'm sure that the exhaustive I'm sure that the exhaustive investigation investigation of CBI will reveal the identity will reveal the identity of the culprit. Now we have the sentence. ये पूरी लिस्ट नहीं है, अभी कुछ और नाम अभी आने बाकी है. This is not this is not exhaustive list. This is not exhaustive list. This is not exhaustive list. Few more names for me. Few more names are yet to be announced. Few more names are yet to be announced. Few more names are yet to be announced. Okay. Now you can say this is not exhaustive list. Few more names are yet to be announced. Okay. कुछ और नेम्स अनाउंस किए जाने बाकी हैं. Yet to be announced. क्या आप इस किताब में कोई गलती निकाल सकते हैं? क्या आप इस किताब में कोई गलती निकाल सकते हैं? We can say, can you spot any flaw in this book? Can you spot any flaw in this book? Now, the next sentence we have. अगर आप लगातार मेहनत करते रहे अगर आप लगातार मेहनत करते रहे तो आप इंग्लिश में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन से यू कैन हैव immense improvement in English. You can have you can have immense improvement in English. Immense improvement in English. You can have immense improvement in English if you work hard consistently. If you work hard consistently. Okay, you can have immense improvement in English if you work hard consistently. Now the next sentence we have is वह नदी के विस्तार को ध्यान से देख रही थी. वह नदी के विस्तार को ध्यान से देख रही थी. She was gazing at the immense expanse of the river. Okay. She was gazing at the immense expanse of the river. Okay. उसने मेरे डांस को दयनीय कहकर मजाक उड़ाया. He derided my dancing as pathetic. He derided my dancing as pathetic. Okay. He derided my dancing as pathetic. He derided my dance as pathetic. The next sentence we have मेरी जिंदगी दयनीय हो चुकी है. अगर हो चुकी होती, ओके, मेरी जिंदगी दयनीय हो चुकी होती अगर आप मेरे साथ न होते। माई लाइफ माई लाइफ would have become or been pathetic. My life would have been pathetic. My life would have been pathetic if if you hadn't were if you hadn't been with me. If you hadn't been my life my life would have been pathetic if you hadn't been with me. अगर मेरे साथ नहीं होते तो मेरी लाइफ दयनीय हो चुकी होती. So the next sentence we have, वह मेरे मन में दबी हुई भावनाओं को कभी समझ नहीं सका. He could never understand my pent up emotions. He could never he could never pent up he could never understand my pent up emotions. Okay, he could never understand my pent up emotions. मेरे मन में एक दबी हुई इच्छा है कि मैं अपने माता-पिता को दुनिया की सैर कराऊं. Okay. I have a pent up desire to make my parents visit the world. I have a pent up pent up desire to make my parents visit the world. Okay, I have a pent up desire to make my parents visit the world. इंग्लिश वर्णमाला में वाई आखिरी से ठीक पहले आने वाला अक्षर है. ओके. वाई इज द penultimate letter in English alphabet. Okay, we can say Y is the penultimate Y is the penultimate letter in English alphabet. Okay, Y is the penultimate letter in English alphabet. हफ्ते के 7 दिनों में आखिर से ठीक पहले आने वाला दिन शनिवार है. Saturday is the penultimate day of the week. Saturday is the penultimate day of the week. ये सॉफ्टवेयर मेरे मोबाइल के अनुरूप नहीं है. This software is not compatible to my mobile. This software is not compatible to my mobile. The software is not compatible to my mobile. The software is not compatible to my mobile. Okay. So now let me speak out all the sentences once again. राजा ने निर्दोष लोगों पर अत्याचार किया। सड़क पूरी तरह बर्फ से ढकी हुई थी, लेकिन हमारे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं था बजाय आगे बढ़ने के। मैंने अपने बेटे को डांटा, उसने गुस्सा दिखाया और उनसे बाहर चला गया। इंटरनेट पर उसके क्रेडिट कार्ड का गलत इस्तेमाल किए जाने के केस की पुलिस जांच कर रही है। वो अपनी पत्नी को देखकर मुस्कुराए और कहा, चिंता मत करो, मैं ठीक हूँ। उसके चेहरे पर एक अजीब सी मुस्कुराहट थी, मानो वो मुझे नीचा दिखा रहा हो। दूसरों की बात को केवल सुनकर किसी को बदनाम मत करिए। जब आप दूसरों को बदनाम करते हैं तो आपकी छवि छवि खराब हो जाती है। ओके। तो आपकी खुद की छवि खराब हो जाती है। मुझे यकीन है कि सीबीआई की पूरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन से दोषी का पता चल जाएगा। ओके। ये पूरी लिस्ट नहीं है, कुछ और नाम भी आने बाकी हैं। क्या आप इस किताब में कोई गलती निकाल सकते हो? अगर आप मेहनत अगर आप लगातार मेहनत करते हैं रहे तो आप इंग्लिश में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकते हैं। वह नदी के विस्तार को ध्यान से देख रही थी। उसने मेरे डांस को दयनीय कहकर मेरे खिलाफ मेरे मजाक उड़ाया। ओके। उसने मेरे डांस को दयनीय कहकर मेरा मजाक उड़ाया। ओके। मेरी जिंदगी दयनीय हो चुकी होती अगर आप साथ न होते। वह मेरे मन में दबी हुई भावनाओं को समझ नहीं सका। ओके। मेरे मन में एक दबी हुई इच्छा है कि मैं अपने माता पिता को दुनिया की सैर कराऊं। इंग्लिश वर्णमाला में वाई आखिरी से ठीक पहले आने वाला अक्षर है। हफ्ते के 7 दिन में आखिर से ठीक पहले आने वाला दिन शनिवार है। ये सॉफ्टवेयर मेरे मोबाइल के अनुरूप नहीं है, कंपैटिबल नहीं है। ओके। So this was all for today. Keep learning and keep getting better, and try to use these sentences again and again so that you, you if you practice these sentences, uh, you will be familiar with this sentence. Okay.